Okay, so 3 down, and this is number 4, obviously, because it's number 4. One thing I'm going to have to do though is to correct this 4, because I didn't have the time to cut it properly when I made the actual shape. So I'm going to have to make it so it's got a little bit of a gap here. So it's going to cut across here a little bit more. Okay, but that's basically it. I'm just going to render the actual pencil drawing out now, so you can see how I sketch out the actual shape of me as a caricature, and then do the rest of the detailing, and then render it out. Okay, so that's that one. So all the pencil work's been finished for level 4. All we need to do is now get on and render it like the other ones, and change the background colour a little bit, and do a new metal effect on the number. Okay, so here we go.